And a jolly good morning to you, or evening, or wherever you are. This is our last day in our journey, really, through England. And we've been to Wales, and we've been to South England, and we've been all over the place. But I've been in lots of kitchens. We have had, I think I've had 6 kitchens from memory, or might be 5, but anyway, our last 2 evenings we'll be eating in a hotel because we'll be staying in a hotel, and so I won't need to cook. Well, what I did is I've gathered a few bits and pieces from the meals that I have made, and I thought I'd introduce you to some of my English kitchens where I've been. So I do and hope you enjoy the video. And the series of our holiday is due any day now to start, and I've got lots of exciting things to show you. So I hope that you subscribe, that you like, and that you pass the videos on to others that you think will like them too. So I'm looking forward to sharing the UK with you. I always say across the ditch because it's only 2 hours by ferry. So see you back here soon, and enjoy the cooking. Hello, my name is Anita, I'm a Dutch-Kiwi, and I'm cooking across the ditch. So come join me in the kitchen. Hello there and welcome to my kitchen. Looks a bit different, doesn't it? Different colours, no tiles, but this is where I'll be cooking this week. We are in Wales, and we're in a wee place, and I'll probably pronounce it wrong, sorry for all those Welsh people watching, Bensiffilling. So I'll put the name, I'll put the name on the screen. But anyway, we're here and it's a lovely wee B&B, and I've got a good kitchen, so I'm going to be cooking. I'll just turn the camera around and show you. I've got some broccoli, chicken, mushrooms, or actually they're the yummy chestnut mushrooms, onion, garlic, my box of tricks out of the kitchen back in the Netherlands. So I've got all these different flavours here that I can use, and I don't have any more potatoes, and I don't have any rice. I've got to do some shopping. We've been on the road for just over a week now, but what I do have, I've put some groceries in the cupboard. I do have some of these noodles, so I'm just going to concoct something and make it taste good. So, blanching the broccoli, cooking the onions. Got my own wooden spoon. It's going a bit faster. This is electric and not what I'm used to. Got induction. It just goes really fast. And then faced with limited means, I've only got 2 elements. One is small and one is large. You have to improvise. So the hot water for the noodles is under there, keeping the mushrooms and onions warm there, and just giving these to finalise a little bake-off in the fry pan. And they're now beautifully charred, so I'll get on with cooking the meat. And here we go, the taste test. It's all about the taste. Noodles are so not elegant to eat. I'm happy. Right, we're back at the B&B. I'm just going to grab the shopping and unpack. It's been a good day, really. I mean, we have rainy days too. It just gives you something else to focus on. Whoop, here I go. Right, let's unpack. tonight's dinner.
But there's no...
Dinner's on. I have got the broccoli and collie blanching or turned off now because that's hot enough. There we go, turn it off. Now I'm just going to make some sauce for the broccoli and collie, and then when I've done that I will cook the meat. This is lamb, and I will cook up these potato sort of things. Don't really know what to call them, but well, got to do it easy. I'm not going to buy a 3 kilo bag of potatoes or anything, so take that lid off now, that'll do. And get dinner sorted. I still had a little bit of grated cheese left, just enough to jazz up the sauce a little bit. And look at it, it's just gorgeous and creamy, really nice. So it'll be lovely on the broccoli and collie. Well, that's not looking too bad, is it? I'd have that for dinner. Now in the backyard there were lots of apple trees and pear trees, and we're allowed to use the fruit. So I bought myself this dish today because there's no baking dish here to use, and I've just made some crumble. So we're going to have apple crumble. Now there's nothing wrong with that. Well, I'm looking forward to putting my spoon in it, but it's too hot. I'll have to wait. So that was that for now. I've got more recipes for you for handy meals for while you're away. But in the meantime, I'm going to get packed up. So tomorrow we leave and head to Dover. We'll be staying in a hotel for a couple of nights, quite close, so that in the morning it won't be such a long trek. And yeah, we'll be crossing the ditch. So I'll be looking forward to all my memories while I make new videos for you to watch. So see you then, and be good, be kind, do something good in the world today, like a friend of mine would say, and see you again later.